Hello friends, this is a continuation of our parenting vlog, and as our kid is now growing and we need to hold her, carry her all the places, so we thought of purchasing one baby carrier. Okay, this I got from Amazon with a very good discount within 500 rupees. It even cost within 400 rupees. The MRP is 1500, but in Amazon there was the Great Indian shopping festival, so I got it only something near about 400 rupees. I'll share the link. The price might get changed now, so just look at that. I have just removed the outer side cover from Amazon. It was a very big cover. I've removed that, and now I'm removing the plastic which was there. So this is basically the baby carrier. So friends, this is how it is in their website, also in Amazon. So I'm gonna show you some specific features of this. So it is like it's adjustable and you can adjust in different ways, right? The side buckles you can adjust. So you can carry your baby in different ways. So up to 3 to 24 months, like till 2 years, you can carry the baby front facing, and from 0 to 3 months you can carry the baby in horizontal. So there are different ways to carry the baby. If you see this photo, it will be easy for you to understand. You can carry the baby like this also. So different ways you can carry. You can carry at your back, you can carry at your front, right? So different ways you can carry. It can be like chest facing, backpack, forward facing, cradle style. So different ways you can carry your baby, that is possible. And in this particular one you have like adjustable opening buckle, pocket to hold necessary items. You are given superior lumbar support, easy adjustable wide shoulder straps with breathable mesh fabric lining for maximum comfort, then removable and adjustable hardboard support with air holes for baby's head and back. So these are the some specific features of this particular baby carrier. Now I'm going to try to assemble it and going to see how it is going to. And also make sure you get the original product, not the fake one. Get it only from Amazon. So now I'm going to assemble it and see how it is going to work. So let's start. So guys, these are the basically two important things they have given. This is one strap which I'm keeping aside for now, and this is the main one, right? So your baby is going to sit over here. This is the kind of a sit, and it's very soft, very spongy, right? It will be very comfortable for the baby. And either you can take your baby like this, right, or you can take and your front, okay, like this. Also it is possible to take like this also, okay, but for now at the beginning, as I am also a beginner, I'm going to try with front because I want to see my baby. I don't know what happens at my back, right? I'm going to take my baby like this, okay. So I'm trying to be as easy as possible. So basically you are going to receive like this, this carrier. So just try to wear it, and here you will be getting option to make it loose. Here, this one, on your both arms, both side. So make it enough loose so that you get enough space for the baby to sit. You see, so you should get enough space for the baby to sit, okay. And then this part is for basically for the baby's hand, okay. So once baby goes inside, here you need to make this in, and then this one also you need to make this in, which makes the baby's hand, one hand will come from here like this, another hand will be like this from here. Two hands for the baby, okay. Also if you are putting the baby inside, the baby's head will get covered by this, okay. Or if you want to keep the baby's head outside, then baby's head will come from here, okay. In both the cases, baby's hand should come out from these holes only, these two holes, and this is a place for the baby's legs. From here the baby's legs will come out, these two legs. It can be in either direction based on where you are keeping your baby. Okay, and then finally once baby is inside, you need to adjust this and put this over here. Okay, like this. So you got it right, and then you can make it tight based on your need, right, so that it's good for you and your baby. And finally this can give you one extra layer of protection if you need, right. You can again put this back, but I'll do that once I put my baby in. Okay, at the end I'm going to add it and show you. So let's get started to put my baby in this carrier. Okay guys, I have done the pack up. So here is my baby, and as I already told you, like oh, she is feeling uncomfortable a little bit. Okay. Because I switched off the fan. Now cute. Okay, so guys, so you can see how I have kept the baby. So as I told, her legs will come like from this, hand is from here and here. So I have tied all her here with this kind of buttons, this plugs, and from my back side also I have tied it, right, and that's how I have kept her. And even if I remove my hand, she will be like this, no problem. Even if I move this, she is not falling down. Okay, so you can be rest assured, like baby will be safe because all her legs, her hands, all are like kept holded properly. And also this is like one more layer of protection if you need, like this, to hold the baby. Okay, that you can do. I'll show that also. That extra layer of protection in case we need, right? So you can see here from this way. Mama. See, from back side also, so it's like a full protection. From all this way, this is protected now. And in case baby is feeling uncomfortable, you can make it little bit loose. Oh, I just removed her hand from this place because it was like this and she was not feeling happy, because first time she is wearing this, she is like this, so she was not happy, so I just removed this. Other than that, you can see like she is there without I no need to touch my hands. She is there now, she is happy, and she has like almost slept. So so that's all guys for this video. I'm gonna share you the link. Right now I checked it, it's only 399 rupees, so even below 400 rupees. So guys, don't miss this chance, because now the shopping festival is on Amazon, so try to get it as soon as you can. It will be very helpful while you are traveling, or for going out somewhere, going for shopping. It will be very helpful. You can carry your baby like this rather than always carrying the baby in hand. So thanks for watching this video guys. Stay tuned with us, and if you want something different from our channel, please let us know in the comment section. We'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.